Hey, it's Clay Trader for BullWarriorStocks.com. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRTC. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Had all sorts of requests coming on this one, and with all the other stocks running, just haven't had the time to get to it, but I want to get to it now. And obviously a rough day, but at the same time, I can't say it's a huge shocker just because you look at the gigantic move that it's gone on. So I mean, from down here at 11 cents up to hitting up above 40 cents. I mean, are you kidding me? That's just a crazy move. So eventually profit takers were going to step in, and eventually reality was going to set back in. It looks like today is the day. So now it becomes more no longer a question of how high is it going to go, but really what sort of consolidation is the chart going to now see. I'm not saying that it can't go higher, but after a big candle like this, that's where the questions transition from how high to now what type of consolidation. So what I want to do is just map out a couple levels of support. That way you have an idea of what's going on from that perspective, since supports are very key in terms of consolidation. So this first level here that I'm drawing is going to be what I'm going to call the ideal level of support, which is right up here at 25 cents, meaning ideally, if you were to ask me what would make the chart look the absolute strongest and most attractive to chartists and traders, it would be if 25 cents here can hold. If it can't, then there is another level of support which comes from where the bull stepped in today and decided to bounce the stock back up a little bit there, and that level is at 22.5 cents. So 22.5 cents and 25 cents are going to be the two primary levels of support, where if these areas can hold, because think about it, if the price hovers around here a little bit before heading back up, this chart's still going to look extremely strong. So will that happen? That remains to be seen, but if it does, that's going to be very attractive for traders. The next level of support to keep an eye on is going to be down here, right here. That level we'll call at 18.5 cents, so that'll be another area of support. And then finally, from the broad scheme of things, as long as the price remains above these two moving averages, which are the longer term ones, then the overall chart will remain bullish. Keyword being overall. I know nobody wants to see it drop all the way back down there, but assuming you're in this for the long haul, as long as the price remains above those moving averages, then that implies that the price is putting in higher lows, and higher lows is the name of the game. That's what it's all about. But all in all, just an insane move, and today was just reality setting back in, profit takers, taking their profits, and that's the point of the stock market, to get profits, and you can only do that by selling. So we'll see what kind of consolidation we get now, but all in all, insane move. Now let's see how healthy of a consolidation we can form. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd like to direct your attention down here in my private trading group. What it is, it's a group of traders from beginners all the way up to experienced traders. I send out weekly trade ideas to an exclusive newsletter, and soon we have a live chat room coming where you can hang out with me and other quality traders during the day and get all sorts of current market movers and stuff like that. I should note that when that does come, though, we'll have a change in pricing structure, so I'd encourage you to take advantage of things now. At the end of the day, don't take my word for it. All you got to do is click up on the testimonials above, read what other members are saying, and get some good third-party perspective. One more time, this was TRTC. Thanks for listening.